What's up, everybody? The weekend's almost here, and we're back with another video. Video. Okay. Shit. What's up, everybody? The weekend's almost here, and we're back with another video. Check it out right after this. Okay, Kim, so what are we going to talk about this week?
We should be talking about how hot it is in here. We can't run the AC because it's too loud and I am dying.
Whew, it's hot in here.
Okay, but we are going to talk about the essentials for the inside of the rig. He did the outside, I did the inside. You know, things that you will need for your trips, and then little things that were actually important to me, but you'll have your own as well.
All right, so we're going to check that right after this. Here we go.
Hi, I'm Kim with the Wonderful Weekenders. This week we're going to show you the absolute essentials from my perspective for the inside of the rig. So first and foremost, again, I like to eat, and I gotta say I'm a little clumsy as well. So for me, a first aid kit is very important. And here it is open. It has Band-Aids, Tylenol, instant cold packs, just things you need for those little minor ouches. So please make sure you get yourself one of these. Nexus Fuses. Please learn where your fuse box is, and these are very important. We've already actually had to change one already. So please make sure you get these and use these because they will come in handy. Next important would be command tape. We love command tape and we use that on everything. Love it. Now for me, a good frying pan. I love the red copper. I know everyone was raving about it, so I thought I would try it. Actually, my granddaughter got me to do it, Zoe, so I bought it and I absolutely love it. So get yourself one of these. You should always have a good frying pan in your rig. Next would be, I absolutely love the collapsible dish rack. So you just push it out and you set it on the inside of your sink. Wash your dishes here and just drain them here. It's absolutely wonderful. I love that. Next is a broom. Now, as you know, storage is a main thing in your RV. So we did get this broom that actually extends. You can, here, I'll show you. Take this off, push this button, open this up, and then you just unscrew it to whatever your adjustable length is. You see it from me, I'm short, so I don't need much. And that's it. It's that simple. Next thing is Ziploc bags. I absolutely love these. Doesn't take up much room in the refrigerator. So things I put in here would be like waffles, pancakes. For the smaller bags, the quart-size bags, I put sausage, hot dogs, stuff like that. It doesn't take up much space like it would if you were using a bowl. These are absolutely handy, and thanks for that suggestion, Pop. Next for me are the pot holders. You don't want hot pans going on your countertops. Very important to get these as well. For me, wax warmer. Love this with the different smells of wax, especially if you've been cooking. I can cook. I'll use the fan, and you can come back in later. We'll leave and go back, or come back in, and you can actually still smell this candle warmer or wax warmer, even though it's been turned off. You'll love this. Next is our paper towel holder. Now, because we don't travel, because we only travel on the weekends, we got something that we could just put away. So it's just that simple. Just changing it, putting it back, just that simple. So we got this, so when we're on the road, we could just store it away and we didn't have to put holes in our walls. Okay, next for me, and for everyone else that knows me, I gotta have my coffee first thing in the morning. Yes, I'm one of those people. So for me, a programmable coffee pot is an absolute must for me. Next is the Instant Pot. I swore I would never use a pressure cooker, but one of my girlfriends tried it. She absolutely loved it. I trusted her. I went and got one, and I absolutely love it. It cooks the food very fast, and it's very easy to use. I'm all about easy and quick. So get yourself one of these. You won't regret it. Okay, next. I did get some plastic utensils because you don't want to scar up your pans that you have. So we got something that's pretty inexpensive. Came with measuring cups, spoons, just utensils. That's very important for me as well. Next thing is games. I don't know if you guys remember, well, where we live. Last year, 2017, was a really rainy season. As a matter of fact, that's one of the main reasons why we ended up with a fifth wheel instead of a travel trailer. We'll send you a picture of what happened to me last year when we were sitting in the rain. So, love this game is called Shut the Box. It is fun and also very educational for children. Okay, again, as I mentioned on those rainy days, don't forget to get some DVDs. Of course, Hocus Pocus would be first. It's my all-time favorite movie. Next is Uno, or any type of family game you choose to use. It's just something, fun. You're not just sitting in here where the kids are still going in one direction, playing on their iPad or their cell phone. You're still spending family time and interacting with each other. So the family games is probably the best idea. All right, come meet me over there. Next, we're going to do the Collapsible Ottoman. Again, we're all about storage. So we actually found one of these in big lots. Very inexpensive, and we absolutely love it. Could be used to prop your feet up on, and again, to store things. So I'll show you how easy it is. And if I'm putting it together, believe me, it's easy. So you just open it up. Put this in the bottom. You can store your items. Need those bug catchers. That's simple. Okay, now we're going back in the kitchen area, so meet me back over there. Okay, next we got ourselves a rack. Remember what I told you about the command tape? We have that here and here instead of putting screws in the door. This actually holds the lids to my Tupperware and also a cutting board, which you need a cutting board. You don't want to cut your vegetables or meats or whatever on your countertop, so get yourself one of these as well. Also, something that's essential for me is a microwave cover. Love this. Just to make sure that when stuff's put in the microwave, it's not splattering everywhere. Just one less thing that you'll have to take care of. Switch. Hi, I'm over here now. Just wanted to show you our towel rack. Just got one of these. It just clips right on the top. Easy on, easy off. However, if you're traveling and your kitchen comes closed, please remove this. We learned this the hard way and we got ourselves some little battle wounds that my first aid kit won't fix. Okay, let's talk about trash. This one to show you something. Actually, we decided to get rid of the, you know, the box that the trash bags come in. And we actually just put our whole roll of trash bags in the bottom of the trash and just take them out as needed. Just one less thing you have to store. Okay, come meet me in the back. All right, another very essential thing is a key ring. Now I say that because I don't know if you all saw one of the previous videos where we were at Castaways, where I lost the golf cart keys and then I took my daughter's keys to her cabin. If I just came in and hung them up like I should have, I wouldn't have been looking for them, especially when they were right in my pocket. Next, as I mentioned earlier, if you don't want to put holes in your walls, this is actually what we use as a toilet paper holder. Now we're not going to start the debate over or under. We're not going to do that. So this is exactly what we use, and I love this. And then when we travel, we just store it in here. Makes everything easier. Now we also have what are these called?
Plastic holders.
Okay, we have these to hold our loofah sponges. So, you know, just again, doesn't take up any space, just hang it up and forget it, that's it. Right now we're in the master bedroom and this comes in so handy. The kids go back and forth to the pool, in and out all day. So when they come in and change their clothes, instead of the wet towels going in the bathroom, we just hang these on these and then put them in the closet. So that way it's not taking up any room and it's out of sight and it still keeps your rig nice. You could actually keep it outside as well. All right, as you've seen in one of our previous videos, got my husband to put the TV up. I hate sleeping in the dark. So this is actually an adult nightlight. This is exactly what this is. So very important for me, TV in the bedroom. Okay, now we're gonna move back into the living room area. Whew, that's done. I hope this helps. Please let us know if you need anything and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Talk to you soon. Right, that concludes the RV essentials for the inside of the rig that almost every RV should have. Plus I included some of my own as well, which you'll have yours as well. So again, I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe, give us that thumbs up.
Yes.
And here's to hoping you have a wonderful weekend.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Like and subscribe.
Don't forget.
So, what are we going to talk about?
We're actually going to talk about essential...
Okay, Kim. What are you going to talk about this week?
We should be talking about how hot it is in here.
Yeah, it is pretty hot. We can't film with the AC on because it's too much noise. But we're going to give it a shot.
I'm dying.